Vancouver plumbing company owners, are you running your business or is your business running you? Between rising costs, workforce challenges, and unpredictable cash flow, keeping your company growing can feel like an uphill battle. You work hard, but do you know if your business is truly efficient? Are your crews being used to their full potential? Is your pricing actually protecting your margins? And do you have a clear plan for where your business will be in 5 years? Or are you just taking it job by job? That's where our 12-week strategic foundation program comes in. Specifically designed for Vancouver plumbing companies, we will give you clarity on your financial performance, streamline your operations, and build a tailored 5-year strategy for growth. In just 12 weeks, you'll know exactly where your money's going, how to improve margins, and how to scale without burning out. You will get a full financial performance assessment, an operational efficiency review of your workflows and team, and a clear actionable 5-year roadmap for growth. Plus, bonus deliverables like a custom KPI dashboard and a capital readiness kit to prepare you for grants, loans, or investors. Stop guessing, start planning. The Vancouver plumbing market is competitive and your future shouldn't be left to chance. Contact BSBCON today to take your business to new levels. You can reach us at 604-690-7113 or info@bsbcon.com.